In this video, I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to make up to $200 per hour online. This method doesn't involve you to have any kind of technical skill. Even if you are a complete newbie who just knows how to use a computer can make up to $200 per hour using this method. I already know people who are doing the same thing and making over $500 per hour. But since you are new, I think you'll be easily able to make $200 per hour on the internet using this. Now, this is something which is not very popular. This is something which I've recently discovered and I've tested it with some different models and it has been applied very successfully. So that's why today I would like to share it with my community of my channel viewers. So this is exclusive for you. This is not to be found anywhere on the internet, nor you'll be able to find it anywhere on any other YouTube channel. This is something which I've discovered recently and I would like to share it with you. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now pay very close attention to this video, because even if you miss a slightest of the detail, you might not be able to achieve the results. And make sure you don't quit this video in between. You need to watch this full video to understand how the whole process works. So first I'll be talking to you about the process, about how much money you can make, what are the platforms available, and then I'll be talking to you about the actual solution where the money is and how to generate that money on automation. So before wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So first I would like to introduce you to 4 websites from where we can earn money through videos. Yes, we are going to earn money through video projects. There are projects which people post on different job posting websites, and we are about to see those projects and see how much money do they offer. So let's first go to a website called as freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is a professional website where freelancers from all over the world come, and even companies from all over the world come and post projects. So to see what kind of projects are available, click on browse jobs on the top. Now here you can see there are lots and lots of filters available. So what I'll do is I'll go and search for a keyword called as video. So I'll search for video and you'll see that people are posting video related jobs. Animated video needed, $250. Video tutorial in English, $363. A cool and creative video ad, $500. Marketing sales specialist for video, $400. So you see the potential is huge. Now I would like to show you something. Freelancer.com is a very powerful website. It receives over 8.76 million visitors every month. Just imagine the amount of people coming to freelancer.com to post their projects. In the same way, I would like to show you another website now called as guru.com. Guru.com is also very popular and people from all over the world comes to this website to post their projects. 1.08 million people come to guru.com to post their projects. Now you can simply go to guru.com to see the website. On this website, companies come to post amazing projects. So since we are looking for a project, we'll be clicking on design and art. And here you can search for videos. You'll see that people are pasting enormous money for videos. So this is why I'll definitely recommend you to get projects through guru.com. Now I'd like to show you another website called as peopleperhour.com. You can see that peopleperhour.com also gets over 2.53 million unique visits every single month. This is an insane amount of traffic which is coming to these websites, and there is so much requirement for video production artists. Now you don't have to create videos, so I'm repeating it again, you don't need to have any kind of knowledge in video production. This is all going to be an automated process and I'll show you exactly in the next step that how to actually create these kind of videos. But before that, let me just show you peopleperhour.com. So this is the official website of peopleperhour.com. You can search for projects here. So we'll search for projects, and then you can see that there are over 3,769 projects available. I'll search for video, and when I do that, you'll see that there are over projects worth $100, $30 per hour, $149, $200, $8.5 thousand, $1.4 thousand. The projects are infinite, $1,000. So you see there is a good range and good opportunity for you to earn money through peopleperhour.com. And trust me, the traffic you get through peopleperhour.com is insane. 2.53 million visitors is not a small amount. Just imagine the amount of people which comes to peopleperhour.com to post their requirements. In the same way, Guru gets 1.08 million visitors every single month. This is again an insane amount of traffic. Then there is freelancer.com, which has more than any of these websites, and even combined like 8.76 million visitors per month. So just imagine the kind of traffic you're getting. Like if I combine them all, you are getting a traffic of over 12.5 million visitors which are coming to these websites to post their requirements. And then there you are, you just have to go and apply on any of these. Now the process of signing up on freelancer.com is very simple. Just click on the sign up button here, and then you can sign up using your information. In the same way, the process of signing up on Guru is also very simple. Just click on the sign up button on the top, then do this CAPTCHA thing, and then you'll be taken to the sign up page where you can sign up using Facebook login or directly through your email. In the same way, on peopleperhour.com as well, you see a direct option of signing up, and you can click on I want to work as a freelancer, and then sign up using your Facebook or with your email. So the process of signing up on all of these websites is very simple and is very easy to do. Now whenever you sign up to these, you just have to go to these projects which you just explored, and then you have to apply on these projects after you have signed up. So just click on bid now on any one of these projects and start making money online. Now the big question is that how are you actually going to make videos, because you don't have any video making skills. So that's why I'm introducing you to this amazing application called as Anymaker.com. So this is the future of video making. They have infinite amount of templates which you can use. They have all of these characters and pre-made everything. You don't have to do anything. Trust me, you just have to change the text which the customer is going to send you. You just have to paste that script and your video is going to be looking exactly like how it should be. It will be very professional. You can create eye-popping animation in just a few clicks. So that's the power of Anymaker.com. In fact, you can also create live action videos in just a minute. So that's why I'll definitely recommend you to go to Anymaker.com. Now the big question is that is it free? Yes, it is free. You see, they have a free plan available where you can create up to 5 videos. You can download 5 videos. Those videos will be in HD. So this is not something like any other website where they provide you video with a very poor resolution. You'll be getting HD videos, 5 HD videos for free. And if you think you're able to make profit, don't worry, you have even higher plans. Like for just $10 per month, that's a nominal price in which you are getting amazing features. You'll be able to create more and more videos. So the more you earn, the more you can invest in Anymaker.com, but in start you can get started with just the free plan. So I hope you have learned the basics now. You just have to go to freelancer.com, guru.com or peopleperhour.com, find a video project which pays you $500 or more, get hired, and then start producing videos using Anymaker.com's template library, and then submit those videos to your clients. Your client will be happy, you'll be happy, you'll be making money, your family will be happy. The whole process is very simple and straight. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.